Hey guys, in today's short video we are doing a beautiful back bending flow. I also create loads and loads of free yoga. Please check it out. I'm going to link the full yoga playlist down below. Benefits of yoga are phenomenal, healing your mind, body and soul. And in today's video we are focusing on our back. These poses help to improve your posture, help to relieve painful backache, releasing any tension. Remember to flow with your breath. Inhale as you go back. Exhale as you lower and fold down. Inhale as you raise up and go all the way back. And then exhale, just let anything go that no longer serves you. Now we're going to come into our full wheel pose. This pose is amazing at detoxing your entire body, boosting your body's immune system, aiding in weight loss. It's also really good if you suffer from asthma. And it's a beautiful, beautiful heart-opening pose, allowing more blood flow and oxygen into the heart space and the lungs and the chest. If you want a challenge in this pose, you try to bring your hands closer to your feet to close the gap. Anyways, you guys, I hope I shall see you guys in my next video, and be sure to check out my yoga flows for loads of healing. I really hope it heals you. From my heart to yours, I shall see you guys in my next upload. Peace, love and light.